Hi guys, it's Gaz here on the Gaz World Motorcycle channel. I'm here at Claycross Kawasaki in Chesterfield, Derbyshire in the UK. I'm here to do a close-up walk-around review and specification of this Kawasaki 2022 model Z900 RS, which is quite a cool looking retro bike. The colour of this is metallic dark green. They do other colours, candy tone blue and metallic diabolo black. So let's talk about this powerful 948cc engine. It's a Euro 5, it's liquid cooled, it's 4-stroke inline 4, it's 16 valve and it's a double overhead cam. It's got a max power of 111 brake horsepower at 8,500 RPM. The torque on it is 98.5 Newton meters at 6,500 RPM. As you can see there, you've just got your oil check window for your levels. You've got an unacclaimed top speed of approximately 135 miles an hour. Beautiful polished stainless steel tuned exhaust, which really looks nice quality. Looks really well made. Just show you ground clearance, which is 130mm. That's your metallic green, as you can see in sunlight, with your silver detailing. It's your LED indicators. You've got your round LED headlight. I mean, in flesh this metallic green does look really nice. Plenty of metallic fleck in the paint. Your front suspension, as I'm showing you, is a 41mm inverted fork with rebound and spring preload adjustability, and the travel on that is 120mm. You've got 17-inch black cast aluminium flat spoke wheels to give that retro look, and they're wrapped in Dunlop tyres. Your front brakes are ABS, dual semi-floating discs at 300mm with a dual radial mount caliper, which is 4-piston. I'll just get in there and show you now some nice close-up detail. Nice polished headers. You've got a seat height of 835mm. As you can see now, I've gone in, you can see paintwork. Nice detailing on the seat, very well made. The petrol tank capacity is 17 litres, and this bike approximately does 50 miles to the gallon, and obviously that'll be sensible riding. You've got adjustable front levers. Analog round style speedo and tachometer with LCD screen keeping obviously the retro look. I just want to also thank you for taking the time to watch this motorcycle video on the Gazworld motorcycle channel. It'd be great to have you on board, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button after you've watched it at the end of the video, especially if you like watching motorbikes and all different brands. This also has KTRC, which is Kawasaki traction control, and 2 rider modes. You've got LED tail light and obviously LED indicators all around, or if you're in America, blinkers. Obviously chain driven. As you can see, you've got on the wheels, it's chrome, well not chrome, it's aluminium, polished aluminium, and flat spokes on the outer rim. So your rear suspension, if I can get in there, is horizontal backlink gas charge shock with rebound dampening and preload adjustability, and that's got 140mm of travel. The rear brake is ABS single disc at 250mm with Nissin single caliper. You've got a 6-speed gearbox with a wet multiplate triple light sort of multiplate clutch. The wet weight is 215 kilograms. Your overall length is 2100mm. Your width is 865mm, and the height is 1150mm. Obviously that's without the mirrors. If you want to view or buy this beautiful Kawasaki Z900 RS motorcycle, it starts from a price of £10,849 on the road. Please contact Claycross Kawasaki sales team. I'm sure they'll be happy to advise you or let you test ride their demonstrator. I'll put a link to their website in the description below. So thanks for watching. It'd be great if you can subscribe and hopefully share this on social media. I've been Gazworld on the Gazworld Motorcycle channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.